Hello guys, welcome back to this week's Tech Bite. Hope you're doing well. Let's get started. On Monday, LG unveiled its new futuristic design mobile phone LG Wing, which sports a T-shaped dual screen. Apple launched its new Apple Watches, Apple SE, Apple Watch Series 6 and a new redesigned Apple Air which has much similarities to Apple iPad Pro 2020. And I said iPhone 12 wasn't announced. GoPro launches its GoPro Hero 9. It is the most powerful and versatile action camera you can buy and it is best for vlogging. This camera comes with recording quality of 5K. Sony announced the price and first sale date of much awaited next-gen console PS5, which is on November 12th, and the starting price at $500 and digital edition at $400, and pre-orders have started from September 17. Google removed Play Store from Google Play Store for launching a UPI cashback event that day morning, but the app was back later in the evening that day. Google reported Paytm for gambling through that event. After TikTok ban, President Trump has issued a ban on WeChat Chinese messenger Giant, which plays a main role in connecting Chinese Americans and their relatives. But on Sunday, some people challenged President's order in the court and decision is yet to come. On Sunday, Microclimate launched its helmet with air filters called Air for $200. It is just one of the many unusual designs for face coverings since the COVID-19 pandemic hit. This was the Tech Wrap, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech and keep supporting.